This sourdough is the perfect single-serve meal to make at home. Start by weighing out 50 grams of Bubbly, an active sourdough starter, and add that to a mixing bowl. Then weigh out 175 grams of warm water. Regular water from your sink will work just fine for this, and add it to your bowl with the starter. Give it a good mix together so that the starter and water have completely dissolved into each other. For flour, I am using high gluten flour. The higher gluten percentage you can get is always going to be the best. If you have bread flour or all-purpose flour, that will also work out, just not as good as the high gluten flour. So to our wet ingredients, I am going to add 250 grams of flour. Then add 5 grams of sea salt. Make sure not to forget the salt. If you forget salt in bread, it will come out flavorless. Then get your hands in there and bring the dough together. If you enjoy making recipes like this at home, then make sure to subscribe. Then cover the dough to let all the flour hydrate for 1 hour. After an hour, you will notice the dough is significantly stickier and looks alive. Stretch the dough from the outside into the center to create a ball. Give it about 20 to 25 stretches. It should then become much smoother and shinier. If you love making bread, then make sure to leave a like on this video. Grease a container for the long rise. Place your dough ball inside, cover it, and let it rise for 3 hours, periodically doing a stretch and fold by bringing the dough from the outside to the inside. Do this a total of 4 to 6 times. Then, in a large Dutch oven or in a cast iron skillet, place a piece of parchment paper and your shaped dough and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Now it's time to score the bread. The reason we score the dough is in order that the steam can escape and expand during baking. You can make just a simple slash down the middle or be adventurous and make a bunch of different designs. Place the lid on top, or in this case, use foil to trap in all the steam. Place in the oven preheated to 450 degrees and bake covered for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the cover and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until it's golden brown. If you enjoyed learning how to make a mini sourdough, then make sure to watch this video on a sourdough bread masterclass. Enjoy!